How to add music to your Instagram story. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram story in a few simple steps. I do recommend watching the video to the end so you don't miss any of the steps in this process. But before I show you how to do this, make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any future updates on this topic. The first thing you want to do is to go to your Instagram profile and click the plus symbol beside your profile picture. Then you want to choose a picture for your story or capture one with your camera. And when the photo is ready, you want to click the sticker button at the top of your screen. And now click this music button right here. And now you can choose a song for your picture. And when you have chosen your song, you can just click the done button, and this is basically how you add music to your Instagram story. And this is it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will try my very best to answer. If this tutorial worked for you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.